Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my long-awaited video that I could not wait to film, and it is my first ever iPad unboxing. So I went to Jacksonville this past week to go on a vacation, and I stopped by the Apple store and I purchased my first ever iPad. This is the iPad Air 5th Gen. And I got it in pink. I absolutely love the pink. I also picked up the Apple Pencil. This is the Generation 2 Apple Pencil. I also picked that one up as well. And I also got a case and a screen protector and everything. And we're just going to unbox this iPad together. But before we get into it, I did film some clips of me buying the iPad in Jacksonville. So I will insert those clips here.
I lost my soul. Tell me now, is it near? Where do I go? Where do I go from here? From here. I don't know why and I don't know how. I ran so far, forgot myself. The stakes are high and the lights are low.
All right, now that you've seen those clips, we're gonna get into it. I am very blessed to have been able to purchase this, and it's something that I've been talking about even in my old YouTube videos for a while. This is something that I have wanted for so long, and I feel proud of myself that I could finally buy it. So we're gonna start unboxing everything. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and then we're gonna open this together. I am not ready for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just took the wrapping off. My heart is beating so fast. I cannot believe it's here and it's mine. Okay, let's open it. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Let's go through the box first. Designed by Apple. Here's a little box. Okay, let's pull this little tab back. Okay, so we have a charger. Very nice. I'm surprised they gave us a charger and a block. They also gave a block, which you have to buy these separately now. So it's nice that I have one for my iPad. Wait, do they not give stickers anymore? They don't give stickers anymore. I don't have any stickers. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. I'm so like, this is insane. Oh my god. Look how pretty! Oh, she's gorgeous. Dust is gonna start collecting on here so fast. Oh my goodness, how do I turn it on? This top button? Here is my lovely Apple Pencil, and apparently it's supposed to magnetize to the side of my iPad. I'm so blessed. The iPad has loaded up, so I'm going to switch you guys over to the screen to get it set up.
Doing this show. We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, 'cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever. We belong together.
Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am very, very happy and very excited to learn how to use her. I customized the screen, as you guys saw. She's so pretty. I can't believe I finally have accomplished one of my goals that I've wanted for a very, very long time. But I just want to thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you are new here. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Also, if you want a customizing my iPad video, I am totally down to do that. So let me know if you guys want me to film that one in the comments. And hit the subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!
Oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling. My body is style, really small.